Gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, winning.
What's up, YouTube? This is Calvin Bond from Bond Trucking, coming to y'all with another video. This video right here, I'm going from Elwood, Illinois to a Walmart, DC, and let me see. Gas City, Indiana. Just a small little load. Total miles were deadhead and all from where I dropped my last load off at was 198 miles. I wanted to explain this load because it's kind of weird the way I bought my fuel. Okay, on my miles it was 198 miles. On my pay it was $570.58. The cents per mile for this load is $2.88 a mile. That's good. Okay, in fuel, today is Sunday, so I got to Saturday. I went on to fill my tank up anyway, so I paid $462.43. My escrow is $19.20. The total is $88.98. Okay, now on this load right here, I went on and filled my tank up, and I was at E. I didn't work yesterday because Friday I took my load in early on Friday, so I didn't have to drop it off on Saturday. So that gave me a 34-hour restart. So I was cool with it. So that means I'm starting out fresh. Now this load is only 198 miles. So my next load after I drop this load off goes to Kentucky. It ain't but 319 miles. The way I'm looking at it is I'll do 2 more loads before I even need fuel again. You only have to worry about fuel at the end of the week, not the beginning of the week. It makes up by the end of the week, because we don't get paid by a load basis. We get paid by the week. Everybody, the wind up here in Elwood, it's like 25 miles. It's going 25 miles an hour. I feel like it's gonna blow you off the road. So y'all be careful up here. And I'll see y'all on the other side. What's up, YouTube? This is Calvin Bond from Bond Trucking. This is the end of the trip. I'm about 7 miles away from the Walmart DC in Gas City, Indiana. I used about a quarter of fuel, so I got like 3/4, a little bit under, just a little bit under it though. So my next load is 317 miles. I'm taking that to Shepherdsville, Kentucky. So I'll run that, don't have to buy any fuel. Then I seen another load that I'm trying to get, goes to Arkansas. I asked them to put that on me in the morning. Once I drop this load off, go back to Arkansas and start over. Everybody be careful. I seen, man, it's like the wind was trying to push me off. My truck's shaking right now. It's like the wind was just trying to push you off the road. I seen trucks getting pushed over. I seen trucks on the side, in the bushes, and it was crazy today. So y'all be careful. Take your time. Pull your speed down some. It gets a little better when you don't drive as fast. My truck goes 75, but I drove like 65 today. 62 to 65. I tried to make sure I was safe as possible to get this load here. No load is more important in my life, or nobody's life that's around me. So y'all take it easy, be safe. 15-7 save lives, even yours. We are not truck drivers. We are business owners that drive truck.
Gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, gotta keep winning, winning.